The question was the proper way to reclaim licenses from users that haven't used software like Visual Project, Power BI, etc. Using ConfigMgr and Intune. Intune, I don't really know because Intune is kind of lacking on the software inventory side. Very, very, very basic software inventory, at least to compare to ConfigMgr. In ConfigMgr, you can kind of combine software metering and asset intelligence, at least as long as it's available there in the product. And you can run reports for like license reconciliation and map that into software metering and try to find usage for applications. So in ConfigMgr, you definitely have an option. Let me go to this one here. That was a sequence. It was a lot of Dell machines. So in assets and compliance, this is obviously where you can configure software metering and enable rules to monitor for different kind of software and the usage of that software. But they also have the asset intelligence where you can upload your own license list and you can kind of compare that to inventory data, at least through one of the default reports. So if I would go here, I have a little CSV file with some sample licenses. If I would take that and go into just open it with Excel, you can see that this is just a listing of different products and different versions and how many I happen to have been at least buying of each of these licenses. But you can very easily in ConfigMgr, you can import that license list. So you can select that you want a generic license file and you browse to where you have that license file. And once you have that one imported, you can go to one of the asset intelligent reports. Like this one here, 15A, license reconciliation report. And you can run that report and it will then tell you how much licenses you have bought versus what ConfigMgr found in your environment. And I can see here I'm apparently extremely over licensed on 7-zip, which obviously is not the licensed software, but fair enough. It's just an idea that shows how this can play out. I remember our friends over at System Center Dudes, they used to have query collections or query-based collections that will automatically figure out if software was underused and automatically uninstall it from those machines. That might be something you can look into. But ConfigMgr is really good at this. I haven't seen a similar solution for Intune, unfortunately. So I hope I answered that question.